What's up, money friends and the viewers of the tube? Today we're going to be doing day 7 of the Betfury challenge. I'm already up almost 10x, and a lot of you are also. So congratulations to everyone who is winning. Seems like there's a lot of people winning from this strategy, and I love all the comments saying thanks so much, and all the people in our Discord. So without further ado, let's get into day 7. So I have 177. I'm rolling 1/2, and I do 1,000 under, so it should be about a dollar. I think I have, or sorry, what is 1,000? 177 divided by 1,000. 177 divided by 1,000. 17 cents. So we're gonna do 17 cents, which is here, and turn on our little tool here and see what we get. So we just need a few wins, and then we'll cut it, and then we'll be good to go. So we're down at, can you guys make sure this is all in, yeah, it's all in view. And we just got disconnected. So that does tend to happen quite a bit for some reason. It's because, and someone mentioned this earlier, it's because I'm on a VPN, and VPNs suck, especially free ones. So maybe I can find one. Maybe I'll just end up buying one. Maybe we'll do like the Netherlands. Maybe that will work. All right, so let's give this a go again. 1, 2, and now we'll do 16 cents. Let's do here. There we go, and we'll give it a go. So we just lost 10 bucks, I think, 6 bucks. So we're already above what we did previously. I'm gonna do one more win and then be done, because I'm not greedy and I don't want to lose my bankroll. So we will do one more. There it is, and we're done for the day. So that's it, guys. That's day 7. I'm not gonna do these daily ones. I'll probably do weekly ones going forward, but I just want to show you that I've now made a 10x from my previous investment, and that's how easy it is. So until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, join our Discord down below, and I'll see you on the next one.